Welcome to the channel. Test your English grammar. One of the students dash that pen. What will come here? Is it option A? Is it option B? Or is it option C? C or D? Actually, we use one of to mean a member of a group of people or things, right? Actually, the form of the verb will be determined by this one, because of the student is modifying the head word one. So here head word is one, so the form of the verb will be determined by this one, right? You know that one is singular, so we have to choose that type of verb that is singular, and have is plural but has is singular, so we have to choose here option A. One of the student has that pen. Remember, we use one of to mean a member of a group of people or things, right? I think you have understood. You have to search for the head word, right? Of the students, this is a adjective phrase from functional side, but from structural side this is prepositional phrase, but from functional side this is adjective phrase. As you know that one is noun, right? And one of the student is modifying the noun one. That is why this is adjective phrase, right? From functional side, but from the structural side this is prepositional phrase. So thank you for viewing this video. Be well.